Welcome to an unbelievable hunting day. Today, we will follow the journey of a beautiful yet fearless huntress who achieved an astonishing feat, taking down 99 wild boars in just one day. How did she accomplish such an incredible task? Her tactics, marksmanship, and bravery will leave you in awe. Witness every thrilling moment right now. The government has introduced training programs, blogs, and organized hunts to attract female hunters. This movement not only challenges stereotypes but also protects crops and restores ecological balance. The huntress appears intensely focused, taking careful aim. A gunshot rings out. But wait, do you think the boar has been taken down? Oh my! Look at that! She has just taken down a massive wild boar. Another undeniable proof that you should never underestimate a female hunter. Oh wow! These two women are not only beautiful but also incredibly strong and professional. See? Hunting wild boars isn't just for men. Now, let's watch how they handle these fierce creatures. Oh, and there it is. An unlucky wild boar has fallen. But wait, this is no ordinary boar. Look at its enormous size. Its thick fur, razor-sharp tusks. This beast must weigh at least 150 kilograms. Wild boars don't just flee, they can fight back when cornered. So, if you plan on hunting them, don't forget to bring the right weapons, maintain a safe distance, and always have teammates for backup. They participate in hunting not only to control invasive species but also out of passion for outdoor sports. Unlike male hunters who charge in boldly, female hunters often rely on patience, precision, and the element of surprise to take down their prey efficiently. And here's a perfect example. An artistic, well-executed shot just took place. Indeed, hunting wild boars is no easy task, especially when these monsters can run at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour and react with lightning-fast reflexes. She wisely positions herself downwind to avoid detection. You see, wild boars have an incredibly keen sense of smell. One careless move and they can detect you instantly. The first shot rings out. Oh no, the boar is too fast. Look! Oh my, that shot missed too. more and more female hunters are participating in legal hunts to manage wildlife populations and contribute to a multi-billion-dollar hunting tourism sector. Oh no! With just one precise shot, the boar collapsed on the spot. What a powerful takedown. Oh my god, a rain of bullets just poured down. But give up? Never. She decides to continue hunting at night, when wild boars are most active. Truly, after witnessing such impressive moments, who dares to doubt the strength and skill of women anymore? They're most active. And so, after a long and challenging day, these female hunters have successfully taken down wild boars, an outstanding achievement. However, hunting wild boars requires careful preparation, from weapons and tactics to safety measures.
Have you ever witnessed a goat recklessly crossing a highway? Without a hint of fear, it calmly walks across, oblivious to the speeding cars heading straight toward it. But sometimes, this recklessness comes at a hefty price. In today's video, let's witness some intense moments as these goats attempt to cross roads and collide with vehicles. Will they escape unscathed, or will they face a tragic fate? Stay tuned to find out. Goats are gentle animals, but if not properly controlled, they can cause serious accidents, especially when they stray onto highways or busy streets. With their natural curiosity and agility, goats may suddenly dart across the road, leaving drivers with no time to react, leading to collisions like the one you're about to see. Always stay alert when driving, particularly on roads where livestock roam freely. In Victoria and New South Wales, Australia, under Section 125 of the Roads Act 2013, livestock owners who fail to prevent their animals from wandering onto roads, causing danger or accidents, can face fines or even criminal charges. On a busy highway, cars speed by in a never-ending flow. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a herd of goats charges onto the road as if it were their playground. Will these reckless goats manage to escape the disaster they've unknowingly brought upon themselves? A whole herd of goats is being herded across the road, forcing drivers to slow down and let them pass. Everything seems safe until... Watch out, that's dangerous. One goat suddenly turns back and runs straight toward an oncoming car. This reckless move would send any driver into a panic. On a bustling highway, vehicles rush past at breakneck speed. Everything seems normal until, oh my God. What just happened? A truck slams into a goat, sending it tumbling through the air before it lies motionless on the roadside. Fortunately, the car behind quickly swerves to avoid hitting it. No one could have predicted that such an unexpected guest would appear in the middle of the highway. On roads surrounded by dense vegetation, anything can happen. So, always stay focused because sometimes just one moment of distraction can lead to devastating consequences. The blaring horn of an approaching train signals its high-speed arrival. This should be a clear warning for any nearby creatures to steer clear of the tracks. But one goat stands stubbornly close, unbothered. Oh no, is it not going to move? Too late. A heartbreaking ending for a moment of carelessness and unthinkable recklessness from an animal thought to be so harmless. Another heart-stopping moment. The train's horn pierces the silence, startling the goats in a frantic motion as they scramble to get away. But it's too late. Trains move too fast and can't make emergency stops for a careless herd of goats. A truly tragic fate for these small, unsuspecting creatures. A herd of goats crosses the road, forcing a car to stop and avoid an accident. But in the blink of an eye, oh no, what just happened? A truck barrels down the road at terrifying speed, showing no signs of stopping. The truck keeps going, leaving behind a chilling aftermath. Who should take responsibility for this tragic incident? Goats and other livestock may be harmless, but when left to roam unchecked, they can pose serious dangers. If you or your family raise livestock, be sure to implement proper safety measures, such as secure fencing, warning signs, or tracking devices, to protect both the animals and the people around them. We've just witnessed some shocking moments where goats, oblivious to danger, bravely crossed roads, only to face tragic consequences. Unfortunately, they never realized the imminent threat, and the outcome was heartbreaking.